time o tanan mo, imagine you are 39, unja tanan, inato kataas ang ahong comments. So that is why, di rin na naman ako gisulti ang comments. Kaya ako mapong gigo over enjoy ang mga trabaho. Halos tanan pare-pareho. And one thing po, di ba? I told you also to, I almost forgot. Like sa documentation, so since man tayo actual nga, visitation, so sa documentation ko pa, Google ralaman mo picture which is relatable to the situation. Okay, so which is relatable to the situation. You use one bagger mixer, but in the picture, ang inyong gi-attach na picture, you are using a, unsa man, concrete paver. Lain as yung equipment, guys, ang concrete paver. Sa other situation is we use concrete mixer, transit mixer. So, dili concrete paver. Takot kita mo ato kato yung attach nga picture nga kanang full length kintahit kung 3 meters inana katong kuan concrete matagak ra mo hamis si diretso. No. Oy. Daghan mong nag-paste o picture nga inana, concrete paver na siya, guys. So which is not related to the situation that I give to you. And then, concrete ha, PCCP. Pero ang nakita, ang gibutang asphalt. Kinsa mga guilty diha. Uy. Di maningog ang mga guilty, oh. Wa ko estudyante, oy. Kapoy sisigyaw-yaway mo tubag. Og ni mampa, ghosting. Nako na mga ghost sa klase. Sige kagyaw-yaw, Jamura kag spirit of the glass. Paramdam naman kayo. Spirit of the glass, napabay yung mga spirito diha. How na pa di ay.
Napangag.
So, kasi mga guilty sa akong ipang-mention.
Nagpabilin pa mo.
PCCP pero asphalt. Onja. O sa atong trabaho, farm to market road. Ano kita man koog? Dagat. Ay, kinoot ko. So, simple as that, guys. No? Ansa, di na ba? Tinuod nga trabaho, di lang ba nato madadag, inana na, ha? Sigma, kick out o sa to trabaho, inana. Okay? So, nag-gets ninyo? This is just simple rajud unta nga situation, and then you have to analyze the situation, and then you have to fill up those requirements regarding on the situation. Okay, so I hope next time, if I require you to do, because I'm planning to give you a lot of site visit report exercises. Okay, so let's move to our new topic, which is the construction engineering. Okay, I will share to you my screen. I hope wa naka-adyo yung magkuan-kuan. So you are 32, so di may nang-exit ganin na 33 mo, o 33 na mo, dahil na-exit na walaan o signal siguro. So naatay unom nga wa nakasud. Okay. Okay, so have you seen my screen now? Diyan naka-open na po. Okay. So chapter 2 is about construction engineering. Okay. And then, if you saw a PICE logo, no? if you saw a PICE logo on the screen, itahay ba og nay PICE logo nga kuan. I want you to okay. Wa man ni emoji. Nabay emoji sa inyong kuan, guys? Sa message.
Wala, ma'am.
Wapod, ma'am.
Namalagi ka Christy lagi, no?
Ito mo na service still, ma'am. That's
Ako
all.
keyboard ko gamit, ma'am.
Keyboard sa cellphone.
Inani na lawan. Kung makita mo ang PICE logo, bisan og keyboard, di ba? You can make also emojis like colon and kuan. Inani ba? Oh. Aha. Bitsa ha. Kana smileys. Kana mga smileys colon og kanang unsay nga na parenthesis. Parenthesis? Oh. Nana. So, if you're using keyboards, so kana ra. So, smileys. So, kung makita mo og PICE logo, it's just to affirm that you are still with me, ha? Okay, so every time nga na mo flash yung PICE logo, na ay dapat mo send mo og emoji sa kuan, emoji sa chat box. Okay, so that I can monitor kinsa tong active ra kay namang goy uban na may uban ha nga ipang-on ra ang camera ang ning join ra sa kuan, ning join ra sa Gmeet na to but they are not listening. Okay? They are not following. Okay. So, game? Okay. So, chapter 2 is about construction engineering. Okay. So, before we proceed, I want you to watch this video first. Asa? Nice sounds. Naamoy ba kung isod? Dapat dyan bag umusod? Naunsa naman tang oras sa okay. Adyo sa mong send og emoji, wa pa gani PICE logo? Or nag-testing pa mo? Okay.
Trial to, trial.
Trial. Okay, so nadungog din siya ganina na sounds. Ha?
Ma'am, wa.
Wala, ma'am.
Kana ba?
Wapod, ma'am.
Why sounds? Moving ra.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Moving on.
Ano wa may sounds? What's up? Kana.
Paano
yun?
ma'am?
Ha? Naa?
Allows, ma'am, allows. Wow, sounds.
Naa man ko'y subtitle. Follow laman mo sa, pero makita man ka ninyo ang kuan.
Oh, ma'am.
Naay kuan. Ate, huwag man yung hindi. Okay. Brad? Brad. Abi na ako dyan hapon. Puso Brad. Puso Brad. I don't know who is Brad too. Is that the, are you talking about the Brad from, kindergarten? I was silly tricycle seconds again. You're so young. You gotta sing Unfortunately, I forgot to bring tortellini today. Again. Awak dah memang ganggu. I will have order. Yes, you can see that chicken. I will have order. I will have Actually, I want to download from I will have and then there's and then there's a version I will have burgers. I will feel your burger.
will make a word from this.
Okay, so naka-follow mo sa ijahang kuan sa August. Ha? So the video shows the kuan
You are a chicken and
the steps no of construction from foundation going up. Diba? So first they have the lean concrete. So the lean concrete is katong ilang gibuhos pure concrete prior to the foundation of the kuan. Usually kana siya butangan nila labi na kung watery bitaw ang surface or ang substructure ni dyan ay tubig. So they put some din concrete, no? Buhusan ra nila og pure. That is what we call lean concrete. And then usa to stabilize bitaw sa paglay sa imuhang reinforcement for your footings. Ana na siya, guys. So if you have time, you watch over again the video para di na tamalangan. Okay? Okay. Dili sa day ni ha. Wa pa ni labot ning kuan dire. Hello, na pa mo?
Napang
Ma'am.
Kining logo dire, wa pa nay labot. Ako na siya nagibutang kay actually diha pa ako mag-explain. Nga na ay logo sa PICE Mugawas and then you are going to comment emojis in the Google Meet chat box. Okay, so construction engineering. So again, this is an art, a discipline, skills, profession, acquiring and applying scientific, mathematical, economic, managerial, practical knowledge. So in order to build efficient, functional, and safe structures, financially sound projects, and ultimately improve quality the lives of the people. So when you say practical knowledge, so this is based on experience, no? So these are not dili ra gikan nga nakuha nimo from the four corners of your classrooms, but through a lot of experience. And kumbaga diskarte ni siya, guys, no? So and of course dili mawa diha ang scientific nga methodologies and also the mathematical, because you need to para na mag-compute ka. Simple as mugamit ko katong example, mugamit ka og one bagger mixer. Ja imong computon pila ka cubic meter ang mahuman nimo, pila ka hours ana, no? So that is simple mathematical, economical na atanan diha scientific, mathematical, economical, and practical knowledge. So grabe, dili ra enough ang atong mga learnings, no? So we need to widen pagajud, no, ang atong kuan. So ina na ka-komplikado tong work, guys. So this is to improve the quality of lives of people. So i-quote gadyo ninyo, quality of lives of people improve. Napagadyo ultimately, ha? Ultimately improve the quality of lives of people, because this will always remind us that our structures, whatever structures or whatever projects that we are going to handle, it must be our top priority is the safety and quality. Okay? So this is a reminder. No, reminder na siya, guys. So this one, the pictures that I've shown are pictures actually from the pictures from the current project, no, sa Umbana, sa Masban. So this one, do you know what this kind of equipment is? This is a unsar to tawag ani? pile rig. Pile rig ni si Jack asa piling rig. Okay? So piling rig, and this is a hydraulic nga kuan. At actually tanan halos equipment mga hydraulic na sila, bisan ka ng backhoe kana bitong pag-adjust sa ijahang kuan, sa ijang kamot, no, kanang mga inana, mga cranes, mga backhoe, they are hydraulic operated. So mga fluids ang kuan ani. So kini si Ja, this is a piling rig, hydraulic piling rig. If you notice, kini din hinga part na. So na ay kini, this is the pile. Sorry. This is the pile na ay rigger. Ang tawag aning kining tao nga kanang tao nga mag-guide kani si Ja, assistant sa operator. This is the rigger, no? So si Ja mo ay mo posisyon sa pile para ma-in place si Ja og butang. Okay, so naangan ni weights ni si Ja, weights. So ihinay. Actually kini si Ja dili ni pareha sa atong diesel hammer. Kasagaran diri sa ato og mag-pile drive use diesel hammer. Kaya bitaw kabantay mo guys kanang magtagak-tagak nga dagko nga mura og kuan, dako nga metal nga para kasulid siya, itagak na siya. Pag kisay nakakuan, nakakita og pile driving. Nakakita yung pile driving IV. So kana siya tagtiwa sa baano sa kits donggan. Pag makurat ka og nakas dool. Pero this one, kini siya silent ra ni siya. I-vibrate ra ni siya ning kuan kay ang kining tumoy aning imuhang piles. Design man na siya nga heavily reinforced unja pointed na ay angle bar. So hait na siya, so naa si capacity to kana mo penetrate bitaw. So silent ra ni siya mo trabaho. Nasige hapoy saba but not compared to the diesel hammer. Mani si Ja kani. Okay, unja. Ang kini, this is the zoom of the piles nga ilahang kanang pile drive. So lain-lain si Ja og kuan guys. Lain-lain si Ja og katas-on. Nganuman, this is just an indication that ang imuhang ilaw dili jud sila pare-pareha og ground surface. So kaning taas possibly ning abot na siya sa hard point, no nga halos mo zero na or mo repel na ang ijahang bisag unsaon nimo siya og dok-dok, dili na siya mo improve bitaw, dili na siya mabaon. So sa ato pa nakaabot na siya sa hard point. So mas taas siya. Diya kini na mga bubo. So ilam-lam ang ijahang hard point. So ilan ning gubon kining naipal cap. Kay aron mo gawas ning kining upat ka kuani diya kaning gitawag nato og the main bars. Ang kining main bars mo ni magsilbing dowels kung unsa man gani ang structure nga ipagunit diha. Okay, nagets ninyo? So mo ni si Jay Bali dowels, and din hini si mo gunit ang additional structure. But actually this is a flood control. Inani kadaka ilang kanal guys. Kita mo? Atong kanal no gagmay ra kaadyo no. Pero sa Singapore tanawa ilang kanal, grabe ka lagpad. This is a flood control canal. Si man-made canal. So muna sila nga ang storm sewer nila, leading to treatment plant ni si Ja. So ilang i-collect kay they have almost every day na sila storm. Mag-storm sila, mukilat, mudawdog, no mo. Usog ang uwan. So they need bigger canals to accommodate the rain para dili magpaha. And then para pud ma-utilize nila as a source of water. Okay, inana sila kaadyo mag una-una when it comes to project. So awa, imagine kini na. Kita mo anay kini side. Kita ninyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Ang
Yes, ma'am. Dito, ma'am.
So anay pinaka-side sa kanal ha. Na kini mga inani mo ni pinaka-side sa kanal aran la para lapad pa sa kalsada. Ilahang canals. Storm canals. Okay. So moving on. So muna siya ang construction engineering cycle. Gubot ka adyo, no? So, kini mo ni ang pinaka-main chart. Kini, this one. So, nag-start ta sa planning and scheduling. Di ba? Na-mention na nato. So, within the planning and scheduling, na-addin mo ni ang mga activities like the table of activities, bar charts, per CPM, project scheduling, quantity survey, cost estimating, crushing, project schedule, coordination, utility firm, budgeting, cash flow, equipment, vehicle schedule, and quantity take-off estimates, which I'm going to discuss later one by one. Okay? So next stage is the organization and staffing. So sa organization and staffing, man is sa organizational structures, manning schedule, recruitment is as appropriate, placement, human resource development training, position chart, and functional chart. Then we have the construction, direction, and supervision, which is at the same level din hina mag-start on project safety. So, project safety because, as we know, risky kaadyo ang construction. And this is regarding with the implementation of the project. Okay? Implementation. So, nana din di ba? First is mobilization, periodic meetings, logbooks, project reports, safety management, safety policies and resources, standards, and procedures. Then the next stage is the project reporting, monitoring, and evaluation. So under this are the reports, forms, then the frequency of reporting, most likely it's daily. So anak ka frequent ang report. So daily, monthly, quarterly, yearly report. So anak siya. Data management, of course, important because documents are considered as asset to the company. So there should be a proper data management. In fact, we have, there are lots of systems offering data management which are online, and that is one of the topic that we tackle in the last major convention. So sana siya sa gitakol sa topics nga gihatag because very important ang data management. Okay? So dili na to katong sa una nga traditional guys nga, di ba? We have the cabinet. No, we have the cabinet and all the files sorted, nakafasin, nakasud og envelope or nakasud og folders. So karon ang atong data management is different from the traditional one. So data management are usually online and protected with some sort of security para dili mo hack. Okay? So ana naka-advance kita karon. So that is why adjudged mo ka kuan ano yan? Naiuban nga mo yan, dili malagi ko teach ma'am, dili ko high-tech. So, adyaw mo inana kay, you will be left behind if you don't have those skills. No? If you don't, of course, inig pang-apply ninyo, dapat versatile na mo with any other operation when it comes to computer. So, you must be excellent in Excel, in Word, in PowerPoint. So, when we have presentation, no, sa MJuhang mga reports, may na guys, so dapat advance mo kaadya na. Documentation, evaluation, and data information. Next step is financial management, accounting, and auditing. Okay? So, natin ang financial plan, project accounting auditing system, financial statement, the taxation, because construction is not exempt in tax. Okay? Why construction nga tax exempted? Okay? So, bookkeeping, tax planning, financial report, and audit. Next is the procurement. So, sa procurement, natay tulo ka parts na pwede i-procure. We have the goods, civil works, and consultancy. So, sa goods, maani siya akato mga materials, equipments, and vehicles. So, prepare the list of goods, contract packages, tender documents, invitation, bid, evaluation, and award. Next is naabay ning respond asa. Kinahanglan ho exit. Yeah. Okay. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 23 out of 33. So, naay na po nangatog. 24. Nakaapas pas Justin. Mikey. Uban nangatog. Okay. So, civil works. Civil works is the proposal, evaluation, negotiation, and award, and then consultant if you need consultant in the project. Then, okay. So, periodic meetings. So, project coordination and control. So, by doing this one, you can handle this one by conducting a coordination or periodic meeting. So, that is why, diba, at the start of the week, you need to conduct a toolbox meeting so that you can discuss what are the things that you are going to achieve within that week, what are your targets, what are your problems, what are your so this is one way and coordination of the project. Then we have the contract administration. So sa contract administration, this is on regarding on the acceptance and turnover. So this is where you are going to list the punch listing, the repairs, fine tunings, and of course the certificate. So na may wala dahil anime. Okay, planning, scheduling. Start ta sa planning and scheduling. So this is the first stage in the construction management cycle. So this is the part where the blueprint in other project blueprint of the projects are formed. So there are several things to produce: the project site analysis, the planning with reference to materials, equipments, manpower, site conditions, and loss is bar charts per CPM, bill of materials, project cost analysis, manning schedule and equipment, schedule logbooks, and crashing project schedules. So first, I focus on project site analysis. So since this is the first thing that you are going to conduct before you can have the planning or the project detailed plan. So project site analysis, before the mobilization of the project, you have to conduct site analysis. So initial activities includes determination, the analysis of boundaries. So katong asa ra kutob ang imuhang project, so reference points. Of course, the elevation, topography, where are you going to locate your bank houses or temporary quarters. Then regarding on the security, kay basin og kining area also ang kawat, pilferage, or other mga situations, no? So conduct security. Then of course, if your site is happen to be near or within within the road, no, or highway, so traffic situation must be analyzed. And of course, kining local labors, labi na ni atong mga laborers or mga unskilled workers, no skills. So kuan na kaadyo kanang hago na kaadyo og kanang imong mga laborers gidapan na nimo gikan sa mga imong giuban-uban, no. Usually skilled ra ang atong iuban-uban kay di ba ato kung ang atong trabaho mura pud ta og mga kanang kung engineer ka mura pud kag NPA, no permanent address, no. Agree mo guys? Oy.
Yes, ma'am.
Gyapon mong
Yes,
kay og asong project adto man ta. So no permanent address all over the country. If you happen to work within naara diri sa Pilipinas, so kung asa tong project adto ka, kay adto man ka makatrabaho. Dili ba ka mo pwede mo stay sa usa ka lugar nga why projects. So wa kay income. So di jud ta mo pili no og lugar. So adto ta kung asa ang project asa ta i-assign, sugot ta, no? So mabitaw to mga engineers sa una, ang mga karaan kadungog mo sa issue about mga engineers pud sa una, no, daghang pamilya, mga karaan pa ba lisod pang communication, diyan labi nag mga bukid-bukid ma-assign sa engineer, agoy to kapamilya lain, no, inanak po ng mga engineers sa una mura po og mga kato mga sundao. Kung ang seaman, every place replace, every port report. So si engineer pod, every project, napoy pamilya. Pero that was way before pa atong mga karaan yung mga engineer, no? So, module na kasi garang issue bitaw. Pero karon dili na kay communication. Mga loyal naman ang mga bagong engineers. They are very loyal to their family. No? Okay na naman na may constant communication unlike before nga suwat-suwat pa pila pa kakwada bingaw. So mungita jud og laing kalingawan. No. Agree mo? Ana, pero malagi na local laborers. So usually atong mga laborers, we just hire them locally kung asa dapat ang projects kay usay po dapat agreement inana, no, nga ang like sa any nga barangay. So sa kaniya barangay musugot sila constructions of this one kung naay amendments na ang imuhang mga laborers or other workers ari na mumukuha sa among barangay og mga tao para pud maka-provide mo og trabaho sa kana nga locality. Okay? So ana, and then availability of utilities. So kining manggod mo inani kay discretion manggod ni nato if we are assigned to that site or we will become the project engineer of that site. This is our own discretion or diskarte ni nato sa atong unsaon ni nato pag avail ning mga inani. So utilities, of course, importante water, power, no, electricity, telecommunications, and other utilities needed. And karon, so it all like of course connection of internet because we'll be doing a lot of activities and linking to online, no, online na. Mostly online naman ta, so internet is one of the basic utilities needed in the site. Okay? Mabita na uban bisag to as bukid-bukid kinahanglan jud og internet connection. So next is the resources of the construction materials. So dapat gi-define na nato asa ta makakuha mga aggregate, cement, lumber, and all other materials needed in the project because if there might be a delays on the kuan. So unsaon dapat na natay plano unsaon na natutupad dinhi prior to the implementation of the project. Okay, ato na siyang na identify. So kung sa ato ba kasladyo or naabay na as dool nga pwede ra siya no or makakuha siya the same quality. So ana. So next is planning. So the planning is among the major industries. Construction is recognized as the most unique due to its highly volatile and unpredictable nature. So although we are using the same cycle, no, the same cycle in the project development, no, so very unpredictable gihapon in nature because there are lots of things or happenings or incidents no will happen uniquely jud ana for a certain project. So na yung mga kalahian guys, not very identical ang mga kuan although we promote the project development cycle. So development is of course mo lagi to kay bagsige og add on no in terms sa mga incidents or mga kanang ma-encounter nimo during the handling of the project. So for this reason, effective management begins with the proper planning of the project. That necessitates integrated, concerted, and coordinated efforts of all the project participants. Hence, it becomes operationally necessary to plan what are the things that should be done and the best ways to accomplish them so as to fully comply with the specifications of the project. So since the construction of the project covers a wide range of constant and variable factors, planning should be given sufficient time with prior consideration to the following inputs. Number one, (21) out of 33. So na ay 12. Nawa nag gutom man oy. Sige yaw-yaw. Balik na lang sa Alfred. Doble-doble na usta-usa ra.
Nawa ko.
Okay. Para radyo na nga naamo during the kuan. Okay, so number 1 is materials. So as I have said na sa planning, materials importante jud nga ma-identify ang mga source. So whether it's local or imported, which require long lead time, procure possibly due to scarcity in the market, including the length period of necessary for fabrication and difficulty of transporting to site. So like for example, mga rebars. So sa rebars, di ba, kailangan natin mag-fabricate like mga rings, o sa mga forma sa mga rebars. So dapat ahead of time, before the usage of or before ka mo abot sa installation of the rebars, dapat nakapa-deliver na ka og mga RSB sa site para maanam-anam na siya og fabricate, guys. Di ba? Sana. And then whether it's local or imported, so labi na ko, imported. Kung i-import nimo ang materials, kinahanglan pa nimo i-import, which means you really need a lot of time ahead to the utilization of the material. So dapat Kay dili pwede nga ang project malangan nimo tungod kay nagkuwat ka sa materialis. So it's not a valid reason. Reminder that sa project, no, every day or every hour must be counted, no? So dili kinahanglan nga na ay cause of delay. Okay? Next is manpower build-up. So manpower build-up, that should be coordinated with other project participants whose manpower requirements must be determined for the definition of responsibilities. Okay, so kinahanglan imong manpower nakakuan na siya. Kung team, kung naay team, so much better. But as I have said, for laborers or kanang bisan o kanang mga lookouts sa site bitaw, ma-lookout sa site, so kinahanglan siya og local ra, labi na kung kanang lookouts mas nanindot jud og taga diha ra bitaw, no? Kay at least para makuha nimo ang trust pud nila ba. O nga. Dili sila mangunay o like na ay mukawat kaila pud sila. So ay na, no? Kanang magbantay-bantay labi na sa mga materials ni Malika gabi, labi na kung may mabilin nga mga personnels or natug. So simple as that. So dapat kay ba sila mga responsibilities and other gutom man ko. Kung ito na upuan oy. Equipment usage. So, kita mo ani site condition maggunol, what if ang inyong site condition inani ba na maglutaw ang inyong kuan tubigon dai maglutaw. Maglutaw inyong equipment etc. pud na kaadyo ang gibutan nga picture. So, equipment usage, whether the special equipment are needed, including the load limits of the roads, height, clearance, bridges, and overpass going to and from sites. So, kini siya, sabi ka magamit ka, kinahanglan nimo og ani, di ba? Kung gusto ka paspos ang trabaho, kinahanglan jud nimo og mga high-powered and heavy equipments. But come to think of it, if dili ba siya maglisod og padong sa site? Ha? Kay basin unja og, like for example, gusto nimo nakoy diri excavation, bukid, unja ang karon as of now ang agiana nato is very steep. So gusto ko magpadako diri dako kaadyo nga kuan ja karon. Wa nimo gi-consider ang agianan, no? Agi mo equipment perting dako maglisod si diyan igliko-liko, inikuan. May tabo wa pa kaabot sa site natagak na ang imong equipment. So very funny, no? And then makatawa na naman ka pero that is a wrong decision. So one thing, kini pong mga height clearances labi na diri sa ato sa mga kalsada nato existing mga unsa may naas kalsada, mga wires. Okay, so mga wires. And then it can cause accidents, guys. Naadyo mga kuan dito ani nahitabuan. And even I guess sir, nasa jay sa usa sa jang project nasa jay usa sa nahitabo nga inani nga kuan. Nakalimot naman kung asa to nga asa dapit na project si Sir Edelio to. Basta within the area of Maasin City rato kuno nga nasangit bitaw sa wire ang ijahang kuan. Dapat kuan sa equipment pag lift sa mga reverse. So pag lift sa mga reverse mura it's na to nga istoryahan na pero dili ko sure jud ka sa situation, but that thing is inani ko no to nga mura pag sway sa reverse na igo ni dya ang line sa kuryente. So automatically katutawgan dito end sa reverse na gunit kirig, no? So ang kanang mga imuhang mga equipment, i-consider dyan na nimo ang iyang agianan or asa siya pwede mo agi, no? Like mga clearance o naay mga kanang sa Manila bitaw di ba na may mga overpass. So basta dili ka lusot sa overpass imong crane, imong kuan kay grabe na ay mga height limitations. Okay? So, i-consider dyan na nato atong mga agian kung magamit man ganito og mga equipment. Kaya og di sa mangita tag lower kuan kay dili ta